This narration is for educational purposes only. It is not buy or sell recommendations.
Good morning, fellow ES traders. It's a narration of the S&P 500 futures contracts chart for November 21st. So we'll start with some microcomposite VPOC areas of interest and value areas too. So this is for the 21st, this day here. So we're gapping up, which is a bullish sign. If we continue to push higher, looking for this area here as a target, microcomposite VPOC from last week, and this value area here, and breaking below, we'd come back to check this VPOC, which is from Wednesday, the day before, and then the microcomposite from these 3 days here at 58.99. So we're opening higher out of range. Higher out of range, you're looking at a 97% chance of breaking the IBH, which is the initial balance high, or the IBL, initial balance low. ETH high and low, ETH high, overnight VPOC, 63% chance on the overnight mid. So this was a recording on Sunday, so these don't line up with what we had on that day. So overall, I'd be looking bullish, looking for a long in the right at the open, but we'll see what happens. 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, RTH open, immediately reject, so we have an opening swing high. Mark that high volume node there. Gives us a point of reference. If we break out of this small consolidation here, break down, test a support area, to come back and check this price to see if it's too high. This is the market telling us this is too high. Buyers were absorbed here by sellers, but not enough buyers to push higher. So we drop down. And I'd still be bullish. This would be a potential long here, not trade recommendation. Back to the mid and VWAP. Really good range there. So that would be my first target trade. Not trade recommendation. Potential long here, same setup, not trade recommendation. So now I say we're coming back to check that initial opening swing high. Let's pop a line. Let's see. Usually I try any impulsive move like that, because you can see how it became resistance and then support. So let's put a line here. Break above, check, support, potential long, scale here. Not trade recommendation. We did it again. It's either add, and you'd be looking for a microcomposite VPOC or a naked VPOC as a target, or like our statistics said from the beginning. Let's see, we're already past the initial balance high. checked, broke out. That'd be at IBC, inertial balance continuation trade, 10:30. So let's see. That would be the opening would be IBH. So potential IBC, inertial balance continuation, scale there, not trade recommendation. And that's it. That was a good day. I didn't trade, I was in the car, but that's what I would been looking at.